So today I'm going to show you how to put a serpentine belt back on your Lincoln. If you take a serpentine belt off and how to route. So the first thing you're going to do with your belt is push it between these two and pull it down around your AC compressor. So I'll do this for you here. So you take your belt, you fold it like so, and you just push it. Push it through, grab it with your finger, pull it around, get it in the grooves. And then the bottom one, and then we'll run it down around your crank pulley, back up, around the alternator like so, around your power steering pump, kind of tough with one hand, new belt. So we're going to put it around the power steering pump like so. Then we're going to take our 1/2-inch dry ratchet, our breaker bar here, and I'm going to put it in the pulley, and I'm going to push my thing down like this, and I'm going to take my other one, I'll lift it up and over the alternator while I do this. So you can see it, I'm going to put it over the alternator, and I'll just pull it with my other hand as a push. Then you release, tension off your belt, and make sure it's all in the grooves, all at your pulleys. And that's it. That's how you install the belt in the Lincoln. And of course, that's reverse processor removal. And that's it. Thank you for watching. There will be more. Have a wonderful day.